All right, boys and girls, finishing this worksheet here. All right, let's look at this down here and see what the answers were. All right, so again, I'm going to work inside my brackets here, this set of parentheses, and then this set of parentheses here. So 7 minus 2 is going to be 5, plus 10 minus 8. We know that 8, 9, 10, that would be 2. And I'm going to put my brackets around it. Put my times 5. Then we're going to go ahead and do 5 plus 2, which is 7, times 5, and that's 35. So the answer to 7 is 35. Okay, moving on to this one here. Okay, so this time it's reverse. So all of our other ones have had the brackets like after the outside operation. So now for 8, we're not going to let it be like, oh my gosh, it's so hard. No, we're just still going to do the brackets. They just moved our last step behind it. Okay? So 17 plus 8 is going to be 25 plus 29 minus 12. Okay, so 29 minus 12. Okay, if you can't visually do that in your mind, as always, use the space and just write it down. So 9 minus 2 is 7, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's 17 over here around the brackets, or put the brackets, and then divide by 6. So 25 plus 17. Again, if you can't do this mentally, write it down. There's nothing wrong with striving for accuracy in our math here. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2, 3, 4 is 42. So now I have 42 divided by 6. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. So the answer for this one, number 8, is 7. Okay, let's look at number 9. Okay, so again, this time the brackets are once again before this final operation. So we're going to do the what's inside the brackets first, then what's inside the parentheses. Okay, so 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 times 4 is 12. These are still inside the brackets. I still need to do this before I multiply by 28. So 42 plus 12 is 54, right? So again, if you weren't able to visually do this, okay, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 57 minus 28. Okay, and again, if you visually or mentally can't do this, write it down. There's nothing wrong with showing all this work. Okay, so there's more on the floor. So I'm going to go next door and borrow 10 more. Okay, so I took 10 from the 50. It became 40. And now 14 minus 8 is 6. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So our final answer here is 26. Okay, so great job if you got that right.